This is my version of the cinnamon rolls cake, a rich buttery cake infused with all the best flavors of cinnamon rolls in a cake form. In this recipe, I am using a box of Betty Crocker super moist butter yellow cake mix, which typically calls for 1 cup of water, 1/3 cup of butter, and 3 eggs. Instead of water, I've substituted 1 cup of whole milk to enhance the texture and richness. With real butter, as the mix recommends, the cake emerges with a richer, more indulgent flavor. Combined with 3 whole eggs, this ensures a beautifully moist, tender crumb with rich, satisfying flavor. As the batter comes together, it is thick yet silky, promising a melt-in-your-mouth experience. The butter infuses every bite with a warm golden richness, while the milk adds an extra layer of smoothness. I am using a 9x13 glass pan, generously greased with butter, ideal for this cake. Since glass retains heat longer, I preheated the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure even baking. A higher temperature can cause the edges to brown too quickly, while the center remains undercooked. To get it just right, I always check for doneness rather than relying solely on time. Next, it's time to create a rich, flavorful cinnamon roll filling, a delicious blend of brown sugar, real butter, and pure vanilla extract. A tablespoon of all-purpose flour is added to help stabilize the filling, preventing excess liquid from pooling and ensuring smooth and even swirls. This decadent mixture will be generously spread over the freshly prepared cake, ensuring that every bite is infused with warm, caramelized sweetness. Once evenly distributed, use a spatula or a handle of a spoon or a fork to gently swirl the filling into the batter, creating elegant marbled ribbons. This step guarantees that the cinnamon sugar essence is seamlessly woven throughout, delivering the nostalgic flavor of a classic cinnamon roll in every slice. In this demonstration, I used a bamboo stick to create the swirls, but next time I plan to use my narrow spatula to achieve ribbon-like patterns that are more appealing, enhancing both the texture and overall presentation. After 33 minutes of baking at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, my cinnamon roll cake comes out golden and fragrant. As it cools, I'll prepare the delicious sugar cream cheese frosting. In a bowl, whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar, 5 tablespoons of whole milk, a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons of softened cream cheese until smooth and silky. Once ready, drizzle generously over the cake, letting it cascade over the edges, coating every swirl in rich, creamy goodness. For best texture and flavor, refrigerate the cake for at least 30 minutes to an hour before serving. This allows the frosting to set perfectly, creating a smooth, creamy finish. As the flavors deepen, the warm cinnamon melts beautifully with a buttery base, ensuring that every bite captures the comforting essence of a cinnamon roll, soft spiced and irresistibly balanced. And there you have it, a decadent cinnamon roll cake infused with rich brown sugar, buttery cinnamon, and a delicious frosting. Thanks for watching.